Hi, my name's Chris from KRCS Apple Peterborough. Welcome to the latest Tech Session podcast. This week we're going to be covering importing audio into iTunes. So I'm going to go ahead and insert my CD. As you can see, we're currently looking at the iTunes music library with our playlists on the left. The CD should mount in the left alongside those. And as long as you're using a commercially available CD and you have an active web connection, then the Mac will go online and actually fill in the details of the artist's name, the album name and the track names for you, which is a great time saver. I'm going to go ahead and say no to import that at the moment, because what we're going to do before we actually import the file is go to the iTunes preferences and select the import settings. Now this is where you change the quality of the import of the CD that we're about to do. Now at the moment it's set to MP3. If you're looking for a higher quality import, I would suggest going for AIF or even Apple Lossless, but we'll stick with MP3 as that's the most commonly used format at the moment, and that will work on most external players, including obviously the iPod. And then you see in the second box here we've got the quality settings. Now at the moment that's set to 192, which I think to most people is indiscernible from full CD quality. If you're using a higher quality system, you can go to advanced settings here and you can select a higher bit rate, and here we're on the full 320 kilobits setting, which would be very good quality. Okay, so I'm going to cancel that and just stick with 192 because I think for most purposes that's fine. So we'll OK that, and now to import, I would suggest just dragging if you want to import the whole CD, just drag the CD track name onto the word playlist, and that will actually build a playlist with the CD artist name as the playlist heading. And you can see by these orange progress bars here, and also the progress bar at the top here, how the import is progressing. As you can see, that's going to take a few minutes to do, but you'll find each file will only be 5 or 6 megabytes, and obviously that means you can put lots and lots on a fairly decent sized iPod. Okay, so that's importing CDs covered. Now if you have a look on the desktop here, I've got a file that we downloaded from the internet that we'd like to import into iTunes as well. So what I would suggest doing here is just literally dragging the file again onto the playlist icon, and you can see it's given it the title of the MP3. Let's just change the name there. And if we click on that playlist, you can see that the one file in there is the file that we've just imported. You can go in there and change the artist name. And there you go, that's applying that name. Okay, so the CD is still importing, still on track 2. And remember, if you have any questions of any kind relating to Apple, you can come into any of our KRCS stores and our friendly staff will be available to help and answer you in any of your questions. Thanks for listening. I hope you found it useful. See you next time.